Here you go, Tim. Here's a video of half-inch cut on the Langmuir Crossfire Pro. Could not find the original video showing the half-inch test cut, so these are cuts I made today for some tools I'm making on the hydraulic press. Here you'll see I'm using the built-in rotate function in Langmuir's fire control to change direction of the part being made. Although you can see there's a lot of dross on the back of these parts, they clean off fairly easy. I'm using a pair of channel locks here just to snap them off with very little pressure. Here are the parts stacked together, how they will be finally assembled to create the die I'm making for the press.